Assalamualaikum. I am Afiq Aiman bin Muhammad Sadikin from Faculty of Business and Wellness. Okay, today I will talk about the abstract of our account assignment. This assignment is about how to create a business account. This is because accounts are very important and valuable to the business. An account is a compilation of financial data obtained from a company accounting record. We were given the task of doing some accounting in a company. This goal of this assignment is to determine the effectiveness of account statement in a firm and to identify data information via debit or credit. We discovered project how important a statement of account is to a firm to be survival and sustainable condition. For instance, a statement of account can assist a corporation in determining its financial status. Every firm needs to compile a comprehensive statement of account for their business to continue to exist.
Introduction to Financial Accounting. Introduction financial accounts are records of the financial affairs of a business and their daily transaction. Our first objective is to identify the effectiveness of statement of account in the business. The next objective is to identify information data through debit and credit. The main rule of financial accounting is to record financial transaction, for example, collecting money from sales, paying supplies, salaries and wages. Help managers manage the business more efficiently by providing regular financial information. Example of management accounts only showing sales, cost and profit against budget, cash flow forecast, cost investigation. Provide other stakeholders by recording important legal information for financial accounts. For example, trading accounts are used in calculating profit and loss and balance sheet. Shareholders are looking for ways to improve their investment performance, while suppliers are minded can they give business trade credit. Banks and leaders are also concerned about how business meet loan repayment and the risk of lending business money.
These are the type of accounts which is journal, ledger, trial balance, profit and loss and balance sheet.
I will continue about the journal. Journals are divided into two, namely general journals and specialized journals. The journal we make is a general journal. To make a journal, we should understand the statement that has been given. Once we understand, we can classify the information by debit or credit. To create a ledger, must get information from creating a journal. The information from the journal should be correct and accurate, so that the ledger and journal are in balance and closely related. That's all for me. Thank you.
Next, usefulness of profit and loss. Documents that measures and reports a company's expenses and revenue over a period of time. Firstly, P&L makes smarter decisions. If you have P&L statement, you will know how well your company has performed. Secondly, proof of business success. You can show a chronological record of your business success. Last but not least, prepare file taxes. You will have all the information you need to compile your business taxes.
Okay, thank you. So next, I will present the value of a balance sheet statement. Okay, everyone know a balance sheet is very important for your company. So a balance sheet, what is a balance sheet? A balance sheet is one of several important financial statements that may be used to measure cost and profit. A balance sheet, often known as a statement of financial status, reveal what your organization own and what it owe as of the specified dates. So this information is displayed in terms of your company asset, liability, and equity. Okay, next we can know a definition about the asset. Any object that your company possesses is classified as an asset. A liability is a payment that your company must make. Next, the amount owned by your company shareholder is referred to as equity. Okay. Asset should be acquired to or offset by liabilities and equity on the balance sheet. Balance sheet are critical for business owner and accountant to understand how to read and comprehend. So a balance sheet provide a detailed picture of the company's financial situation. So without this insight, business owner and accountant may make decisions that have unintended consequences. In conclusion, a balance sheet statement is very, very important for your company. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
In conclusion, we have studied the basic terminology of bookkeeping in accounting, the general purpose and functions of accounting, and the differences between the two sorts of accounting. We also now be able to describe the different elements of financial information such as income or revenue, costs or expenses, assets and liabilities, as well as identify the main financial statements like income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement and their purpose. Besides that, the accounts that we have generated are experiencing stability. We have opened the T account because it is inserted on the side with the lower total and is the figure which is, when included, make the total of both sides the same. If the insertion occurs on the debit side, it means that total credits have exceeded total debits. Balance on current asset, liability, and capital accounts may be carried forward or down to the net accounting period. Furthermore, we have done the trial balance to make sure our accounts being balanced. The trial balance is a list of the balance extracted from all the individual accounts is an identity accounting records, showing all debit balance in a left-hand column and all credit balance in a right-hand column. If the basic double entry bookkeeping has been done correctly, the total of the two columns should be the same.